Lastly, we have the due diligence questionnaire template. Like the investment tracker, there are a million ways you and your clients can tailor this to suit your needs. So again, think of this as a starting point. It may be helpful to first have a conversation with your clients about what information is most important to them as they are evaluating the opportunity. And then, of course, you as an advisor, if you are helping them make this decision, you also need to thoroughly understand all of the risks and potential problems that your client could run into as you're presenting information to them. And that is upholding your fiduciary duty as an investment advisor. Once you have a handle on what is important to you as an advisor and what is important to them as a client, and what questions may not be as important, you can then prioritize the questions. Some questions will be easily answered through the offering docs or the investor package that they send, while others will be best answered as an interview with the company. And because you don't have all the time in the world to ask every question, and neither does the business owner either, it would serve you well to prioritize the questions in case all you have is a few hours of time with them. You can even turn this questionnaire into an online submission form. Some people do that so that instead of spending that precious time on the phone with the company, they send the form to them instead, have them fill that out, and then they can more readily screen out the companies that don't really meet their expectations, or they can develop the follow-up questions that they want to ask and do that in an interview with the company. So hopefully this gives you a couple of ideas of how you can use this due diligence questionnaire. We've also included a couple more links to other questionnaires to give you a more comprehensive sense of what a venture capitalist might ask or what an angel investor might ask. Different kinds of companies, those might be for high growth companies and for equity investments only, whereas your client might be doing more of a Main Street, lower growth, or a loan to a local business, and it's going to be a different kind of company. So just take that with a grain of salt. But there are some great questions on those questionnaires too that you may want to bring over to your client's questionnaire as well.